So 4 days ago, I got a comment saying, "Can you do a tutorial on this video?" Yeah, I got a comment on that video, so I'm going to do a tutorial on how to do it. So what you first want to do is get an idea for what you want your scoreboard to look like. For example, I wanted my scoreboard to look like this. So I'm going to have to start from somewhere, and that's where the first step happens. The first step is actually creating the animation. So right now it just looks like these two bars are just there. But if I keep on pressing, then you'll see that there's some sort of cool effect that's going on. So you're wondering how to do that. So if I zoom in closer here, then you can see that the Wildcats text is slowly popping in. So what I did is, like, you're going to want to select this object and move it out, and then select this object and move it with it. Now that doesn't look good because you don't want to stretch it out like that. Instead, you want to double click it, which will take it to the crop screen, and then crop it so that it looks like that. But you don't want to do that all at once. Instead, you're going to actually want to do it over multiple slides, so you're going to want to do it kind of slowly. Like, see how I do it. And it keeps on going progressively until it reaches this stage. And then for this stage, you just do the opposite of what you've done. And now I've literally erased it. So now you see these boxes appearing. You just make a really thin box. And then, as I said before, you stretch it out little by little until it gets to your desired size. Now, I screwed up a little bit and made it so that it shifted a little bit. And then these boxes are where the team names are going to be. These boxes are where the scores are going to be. So you're going to want to extend that out. And then this box and that box, those boxes are going to be where the logos are going to be. If you want to have this cool effect, then you're going to want to add a box so that the logos can come in like this. And I used a box because the word art can't be cropped. In order to do word art, you're going to want to go to Insert, go to Word Art,